Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Take notes. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how you can hide your profile on the Facebook. For that, you need to open the Facebook, and on the top right corner you will see the profile icon. Tap on it and tap on gear icon. After that, scroll down and you will see how people can find and contact you. So tap on it, and from here you can all customize the option and customize it to hide your Facebook profile. So who can send you friend requests, tap on it and make on friends of friends, and who can see your friend list, tap on it and select on only me, and who can look you up using the email address you provided, so it is set on only me. In this way you can set up to the limited version. So do you want search engine outside of Facebook link to your profile, then you need to toggle off this. So in this way you can easily hide your profile on the Facebook. Thank you.